If you are facing that, caps lock always press due to keyboard faulty. For this issue, always type in capital. Usually this is an hardware issue. You may need to replace the whole keyboard. If you are looking for a solution without changing the keyboard, this video is made for you. Go to System Preferences from Apple logo, Keyboard, Modifier keys, click drop down menu besides Caps Lock and select No Action. OK. Now Caps Locks will not work here. If you want to type in capital, then you have to take help with the Shift key. Press Shift key, then type the letter. It will type on capital. That's all. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.